Welcome to Mash Matters, your weekly dose of educational tech insights. I'm your host, Noxi, and today we're diving into the world of algorithmic thinking and its connection to AI. Buckle up, teachers, because we're about to embark on a journey that'll revolutionize your classroom. Let's start with a little time travel. Picture this. It's 1956, and a group of brilliant minds are gathered at Dartmouth College. Among them is John McCarthy, who coins the term artificial intelligence for the first time. Fast forward to today, and AI is no longer just a concept. It's reshaping our world, including education. But here's the million-dollar question. How do we prepare our students for this AI-driven future? The answer lies in building a solid foundation of digital skills. Think of it like learning to read a map before flying a plane. Our students need to master problem-solving, structure, and critical thinking before they can truly harness the power of AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. Noxi, this sounds great, but how do I actually implement this in my classroom? Well, my fellow educators, that's where Purple Mash comes to the rescue. For our younger learners, let's talk about 2Go. Imagine setting up a robot adventure game where kids program a robot to find treasure on a grid. It's not just fun, it's teaching them planning, sequencing, and debugging. These are the building blocks of algorithmic thinking, folks. Moving on to our older students, 2Code is where it's at. Have learners design a simple chatbot using 2Code, where they can program responses based on inputs. For example, they can create a bot that answers questions about a topic they're studying, like animals or planets. The chatbot will respond differently depending on how the learner interacts with it. But wait, there's more. Purple Mash is packed with tools that support AI skills. From 2Chart for creating flowcharts to data detectives for analyzing information, we're equipping our students with the skills they need to not just use AI, but to understand and shape it. With 2Code, learners can explore the basics of understanding how user input leads to a response. This concept is a key building block in artificial intelligence, where machines learn to react based on data they receive. While 2Code doesn't directly teach AI, it gives learners a solid foundation in these principles, making it a great starting point for those interested in the tech of tomorrow. This project encourages learners to think about logic, cause and effect, and how computers learn from user input. Plus, it's a hands-on way to explore how AI-powered systems work while introducing text-based coding. Now, let's talk about why these digital skills are so crucial. Structure teaches our kids to follow logical steps when interacting with AI. Planning helps them map out problems and solve them systematically. And discernment, that's the secret sauce that helps them ask the right questions and critically analyze information. Remember, teachers, we're not just preparing our students to be consumers of AI. We're empowering them to be creators, innovators, and critical thinkers in this rapidly evolving digital landscape. Before we wrap up, I've got some exciting news for you. In the coming weeks, we'll be diving into the new coding and robotics curriculum that's set to launch in January. We'll be sharing resources and tips to help you incorporate these skills into your classroom seamlessly. Plus, we'll be featuring Python in Pieces, a fantastic tool for bridging the gap between block-based and text-based coding. So, my fellow educators, are you ready to embrace the future of education? With Purple Mash by your side, you're not just teaching, you're shaping the innovators of tomorrow. Remember, in the world of education, you're the real AI, awesome instructors. This is Noxi, signing off from Mash Matters. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and keep inspiring.